Hello, good morning student. Now today we will keep continued exercise 7.1 question 3. Given numbers is not perfect cube, by which smallest number if we divide then we will obtain perfect cube. Okay, now here is the first question 81. So first divide 81 by prime factorization. Last digit is 1, so it cannot divided by 2. So start by 3. If you divide 3, then you will obtain 27. If we divide 3, 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now making the group of prime factorization. 3 times 3 cube multiply 3. Okay, 3 cube multiply 3. Now we can see here 3 is the extra. So if we divided by 3, then remaining factorization 3 cube. So here hence the smallest whole number by which 81 must be divided to obtain perfect cube is 3. The resulting perfect cube is 27 and 27 is the 3 cube. Okay, now 128. Last unit digit is 8, so it must be divided by 2. 64 to the 128, again divided by 2. 32 to the 64, again divided by 2. 16, again divided by 2. 8, again divided by 2. 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now making the group of triplets. 2 3 times, 2 3 times. Okay, and 1 2 there is extra. So if we write in this way by prime factorization, 128 equal to 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2. We can see here easily 1 2 is the extra. So if we divided by 2, then remaining portion 2 triplets. Okay, therefore 128 is not a perfect cube. If we divide the number by 2, then the prime factorization of quotient will, this 2 will not remain. In this case, if we divided by 2, then remaining portion will be 4 cube. Okay, and resulting perfect cube 64. 4 cube equal to 64 cube. Now 135. 135. We can see here last unit digit is 5, so it will not divided by 2. So start by 3. Okay, 45 3s are 135. Again 3, 15 3s are 45. Again 3, 5 3s are 15. Now 3 not possible, so 5. 5 1s are 5. Now by making the group of triplet, 3 cube multiply 5. Okay, 3 cube multiply 5. Now we can see here 5 is the extra. So if we divided by smallest number 5, then remaining portion will be perfect cube, that is 3 cube. 3 cube equal to 27. Now for number 192. Here is the last number is 2. So divided by 2, 96 to the 192. Again divided by 2, 48 to the 96. Again divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Again 2, 12 to the 24. Again 2, 6 to the 12. Again 2, 2 3 the 6. Now 3 here. So not possible by 2. So 3 1s are 3. Now making the group of here by prime factorization. 192 equal to 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 3. So here is the triplets of 2 times, but 1 3 is the extra. So if we divided by 3, then remaining portion will be perfect cube. that is 2 3 times and 2 3 times. 2 multiply 2 4, 4 cube. Okay, so answer is the 3. So resulting perfect cube is 4 cube equal to 64. Now hello, now 5 number 704. Now last digit is 4 divided by 2, 352. Last digit is 2, again divided by 2, you will obtain 176. Last digit is 6, again divided by 2, 88. Again divided by 2, 44. Again divided by 2, 22. Again divided by 2, 11. And now not possible by 3, 5, 7, 9. Directly 11. 11 ones are 11. Now making the group of the prime factorization, 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 11. Here 11 is the extra number. Okay, multiply extra number. So already triplets of 2 obtained here and 11 is the extra. So if we divide it by 11, we will obtain the perfect square. So answer is 11. Now 2 cube and 2 cube, that is 4 cube. 4 cube equal to 64, which is perfect cube. Okay, now here question 3 is over. Now question 4. Parikshit makes a cube of plasticines of sides 5 to 5. How many such cubes will be needed to form a cube? Okay, now here sides of cube is given 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So first we have find the volume of a cuboid equal to LBH. We know that this formula, length, breadth and height. 5 multiply 2 multiply 5. Since there is only one 2 and only one 5 in the prime factorization, so 1 5, only 1 2. Since there is only 1 2 and only 2 5 in the prime factorization, so we need 2 more, 2 times more and 5 1. So 2 multiplied 5, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 to make a perfect cube. So therefore we need 20 such cuboids to make a cube. Okay, in this way here prime factorization is over. Now next topic is cube root. Okay, next topic is cube root. The cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. Here 2 cube equal to 8. Therefore 8 cube root of the 8 is 2. And symbol you can see cube root of the 8 equal to 2. So cube root through prime factorization method we can also find. Okay, now 7.2. Now next exercise is 7.2. Question 1. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization. So here is the first question, 64. Okay, we can see here last unit digit is 4. So divide by 2, 32. 32 divide by 2, 16. 62 divide by 2, 8. 8 to the 16. Again 2, 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4 and 2 1 the 2. Now we have find here cube root. So prime factorization is 2 cube multiply 2 cube. So 2 cube multiply 2 cube. So 2 cube multiply 2 cube. So 4 cube equal to 64. Okay, therefore cube root of 64 equal to 4. Now next question. Okay, now second number 512 divided by 2, 256. Last digit is 6, so divided by 2, 128. Last digit is 8, so divided by 2, 64. Divided by 2, 32. Divided by 2, 16. 8 to ja 16, 4 to ja 8, 2 to ja 4, and 2 1 ja 2. So now here Now here 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply 2 cube, that is 8 cube. Therefore cube root of 512 equal to 8. Now third question 10 6 4 8. Last unit digit is 8, so divided by 2 you will obtain 5 3 2 4. Last digit is 4, divided by 2 you will obtain 2 6 6 2. Last digit is 2, so we will obtain 1331. Now here is the big problem. 1331 is not divided by 3 5 7 9, so direct divided by 11. So if we divide 11 you will obtain 121. Again divided by 11, so 11, and 11 ones are 11. Okay. So now 2 cube multiply 11 cube. So cube root of 10 6 4 8 equal to 11 to the 22. Now next 4 number 27,000. Last digit is 0, so divided by 2 we will get 13500. Last digit is 0, again divided by 2 we will obtain 6750. Last digit is 0, again divided by 2 we will obtain 3375. Now here is the last digit is 5, so not possible by 2, so start by 3. If we divided by 3, 1125. Now divided by 3, 375. Divided by 3, 125. Now not possible by 3. Okay, so divided by 5, 25 5 za, 5 5 za, and 5 1 za. So prime factorization of 27,000 is 2 cube multiply 3 cube multiply 5 cube equal to 2 3 ja 6 5 ja 30. So cube root of 27,000 is 30. Okay. Now from next 6 7 8 9 10 we will do tomorrow. Okay.